তুরস্কের আঙ্কারায় নবনির্মিত বাংলাদেশ দূতাবাস ভবনের উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে বক্তব্য রাখছেন প্রধানমন্ত্রী শেখ হাসিনা। সরাসরি চলে যাচ্ছি সেখানে।
Of Bangladesh in Ankara. I'm happy that the project has been completed within the stipulated time. I pay my deep homage to the greatest Bengali of all times, father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. I recall the four national leaders, 3 million martyrs, and 200,000 dishonored women of the war of liberation. They all, and also I pay homage to my family. In 1975, 15th of August, my father, my mother, my 3 brothers, my 2 sisters-in-laws, and other family members, including 18 members of my family, been brutally killed. I remember all of them, especially my mother, Begum Fazilatul Nisa. My father struggled his whole life for independence of Bangladesh. He not only dreamed of a prosperous Bangladesh, he also dreamed of a world free from poverty, hunger, and conflict. He laid emphasis on global peace and security for the sake of human welfare. His dictum, I quote, "Friendship to all, malice to none," unquote, has been the bedrock of our foreign policy. Excellencies, Bangladesh attaches great importance to its relations with Turkey. As we celebrate this historic milestone in our relations, I fondly recall my visit to Ankara at the invitation of the then Prime Minister and now President of Turkey, His Excellency Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, on 30th April 2012. Formal diplomatic ties between our two countries began in 1974, nearly 50 years ago. The relations between our two countries are deeply rooted in shared history, faith, and traditions based on mutual trust and confidence. Bangladesh is keen to take forward its ties with Turkey for the bilateral benefits of the two peoples. Ladies and gentlemen, it took less than 2 years to complete the construction of the embassy building with the help of the Turkish as well as Bangladesh authorities concerned. The distinct red brick cladding on the embassy complex would resonate for long the Bangladeshi architectural impression and heritage. I am happy to know that the spacious complex has all facilities along with a beautiful auditorium. It proudly hosts a bust of the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and a Shahid Minar. To achieve Vision 2021 and 2024, Bangladesh is set to expand its global outreach by establishing many more diplomatic offices. This permanent embassy complex in Ankara is a testimony to the priority Bangladesh attaches to boost further its friendship with Turkey. The recently built Turkish embassy building in Dhaka also demonstrates the same sentiment. And I'm glad to know that Foreign Minister of Turkey will visit Bangladesh soon. So I welcome you, Honorable Foreign Minister, and we are waiting for you. how you will come. You are most welcome. I hope the formal opening of the Turkish Embassy building in Dhaka also would happen soon with the kind presence of the Foreign Minister, and I'll be glad if the President comes to Bangladesh. I also extend my invitation to the President of Turkey to visit Bangladesh. Please convey my regards to the Honorable President and the First Lady, because I remember when these Rohingya people took shelter in Bangladesh, the First Lady, I think she was the first one, visited Cox's Bazar, as well as Foreign Minister, you also with her. So I extend my invitation to both of them. We are celebrating our Father of the Nations, 100 years birth centenary. So I'll be very happy if you can come to this time, then we can celebrate together. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is passing through a difficult time due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic battered the health systems and the economies of most of the countries across the world. In Bangladesh, we have successfully been able to contain the spread of the virus. At the same time, our timely and appropriate measures and stimulus packages have also been able to minimize the disastrous effects of the deadly disease. We have so far announced a set of COVID-19 recovery package worth $13.25 billion, equivalent to 4.03% of our GDP. I commend Turkish leadership for its success in fighting the deadly pandemic. I also appreciate its initiative to dispatch medical supplies to different countries, including Bangladesh. Excellency, Bangladesh is one of the fastest growing economies in the world after showing some initial sluggishness for a month or two due to the pandemic. But now, gradually, we are overcoming the situation. Our exports have started turning around from July. The country's foreign currency reserve now stands at a record of $39.40 billion US. We are on the right path to graduate from LDC to a developing country. Excellencies, on behalf of my government and myself, let me take this opportunity to thank the government and the friendly people of Turkey for extending support on various issues, including the Rohingya crisis. And recently, one of the Navy ship, because in Lebanon, it was damaged, and I thanks to Turkish government and all of you that you have taken trouble to look into it, and now, you repair, and also our ship, it is almost ready. So I thank you very much for your generosity